Oh, it's right. It's the... Yeah, that's not as much as a turn. It's good. Good morning. I be getting a lot of DMs like, why ain't you been live? Sometimes, y'all, I be forgetting to go live. I be forgetting to go live. My bad, y'all. Like, sometimes I be looking. I'll look up and be like, dang, I ain't been live in a couple days. I need to stop doing that because I be telling y'all that I'm going to be more consistent. Especially on TikTok. Like, I like going, this is Instagram right now, but I be forgetting, y'all. But I'm back. I'm here now. And I be seeing a lot of comments or people be replying to my stories and be like, go live. And I be like, oh yeah, let me go live. I ain't think y'all miss me that much. I'm about to go to the gym. Can't miss Monday's workout. I washed my face this morning, but I forgot to do all my other little regimens. Like, I just used my face scrub. I didn't even put on my moisturizer or nothing. I straight forgot. But it's cool. I'm about to work out anyway, and I'm about to sweat. So I don't need all that stuff sweating off my face anyway. Once I get back home and wash my face and stuff again, I'll be able to do it. I am about to go live on TikTok, so dang, I forgot my gym bag. Yes.
What time?
We got time. I knew it was something. Murder Mommies, it's a series. They're episodes. It's gonna be more episodes coming out. It was good, wasn't it? So I only use for real. I use a face scrub. Then for toner, I use witch hazel, and I use like this vitamin C serum and you can just get the SPF. You can just get the SPF with the moisturizer in it. That could be your moisturizer too. Oh, and I use for glowness, I use rose water. That's it. I don't do the casting for the show. Oh, you talking about what show? You talking about Wifey Era? Or are you talking about murder mommies? In my bag, right there on the counter in the kitchen. I'm about to get on TikTok though. The wifey show. Okay. I gotta DM me because I have to see. I have to make sure that you are a suitable cast member. So DM me and I'll hit you back to get your background story and stuff. I can definitely cast for that. Toner, witch hazel, rose water. That's all I caught. No, somebody asked me what I use on my face, and I was just telling them, like, I use a scrub. I use a face scrub. Because my face, oh my God, it came a long way. Because I caught myself going to go get a facial and using their products, and that shit broke me out so bad to where, so I had to go back to what I know. I had to go back to what I know, just the natural way. So I use a scrub, and then the witch hazel. The witch hazel is a toner that tones it, so that helps with like the black brown spots and all that good stuff. And then I use rose water for toner. I use SPF. And then I use like this. I do use this serum. Oh my God, I love it. It's the hold on, y'all. I'm trying to do two things at once. I'm trying to lock my door. It's the vitamin C serum. I love it. I love it. Here, need some water? Needs. I'll check my DM when I get off the line. I'm actually about to go to TikTok for a second. Well, I'm gonna work out on TikTok. Alright, you guys. Talk to you guys later.